I want to confide something in you, from narcissistic abuse survivor to narcissistic abuse survivor. The people we got involved with are predatory. They're sharks hunting the water for new supply. Cut yourself off. Don't keep any conduit between them and you open. Block social media profiles, block their phone numbers, block their emails. Take a long look at any mutual friends or family members that might act as a conduit of information between them and you, or you and them. And then be careful around family crisis and holidays. Any opportunity, when they circle back, it's not because they're thinking of you fondly. It's not because they've changed. It's because they've run out of supply.